Right today at an abandoned house that I found off the beaten path. Let's see if I can't get some shots in here. Right off the road. Get around in here. Disclosure, cannot stand it when people litter. Switched up the setup today, shooting with the A6500 with the 1650 kit lens. That's what I'm filming on. 1635 on the A7S2. I feel like the coolest shots I'm gonna get are gonna be from the front, where I can try to get like the symmetry. See if I can't show you what I mean. You know, one of the biggest parts of photography is finding something that's visually pleasing to yourself. So don't always get caught up in likes or what other people may think about the photo, because if you like it, it's art. That's what matters to me. Photography is like food. Some people like certain dishes, others don't. What the hell do I got on my face? Spider webs. I'm gonna shoot some B-roll right quick, so cut to the B-roll. That's a little creepy. Ted! Not Ted. That means Mark Wahlberg's not far from here. I don't know who owns this property. It's for sale, but I guarantee whoever buys this property is gonna tear this down.